Hey, and welcome to another recap of Alethea AI's Personality Creative Writing class. In this video, I'm going to be recapping the Masterclass 103, which focuses on the filters and appearance personality Legos. And again, if you haven't seen the actual video, I would highly recommend checking that out. You can find that on Alethea AI's YouTube, titled Alethea AI Personality Creative Writing Class 03. Alternatively, Alethea has also created recaps of the masterclasses, which you can find at medium.com/Alethea AI. Props to the team for doing this. This is an awesome format to be able to reference later versus skimming through a video and trying to find the parts that you're trying to reference exactly. I would highly recommend checking out both the video and the recap article in order to be able to better prepare yourself for when you actually want to create your character for your personality pod. So in the Masterclass 103, Sarah does an awesome job of explaining why filters are important and how to use filters to better build out your character in terms of not only forbidden words, but also the replacement sentences for the forbidden words. The types of words you might want to filter for your personality pod include swear words, violence, sexual words, slurs, controversy, and then any character-specific words that may be time period specific and or may be specific to your character's personality. As an example, Sarah brings up the fact that Richard Nixon might not want to talk about the words Watergate, tapes, or impeachment. And in order to keep with the character or the personality of the character, Nixon might reply with something along the lines of, "Keep up that talking back, Buster, and you won't have Dick Nixon to kick around anymore," which is not only awesome and fitting for the character himself, but also the time period from which he's from, using words like Buster and kick around. Now for the appearances personality Lego, Sarah brought up an awesome and very interesting point that I'm kind of really excited to talk about and excited for when it actually comes out. I'll show you why. So Sarah mentions that there are two types of appearances. You have communities, which are the approved projects, and then you have custom appearances. You will be able to create customized characters in the future. Here are some pointers you should keep in mind when you work with them. And we have the typical things that we would want to keep in mind when building out a character for your personality pods: identity, background, facial expressions, wardrobe, dimensional, resolution, color, and animation or no. Now, why I'm excited about this is because of the fact that you'll be able to customize a character to look like somebody that you know, or a character that you want to build out, or even as yourself, and then have it not only look kind of like you, but also with the right training, it would kind of sort of act like you as well. And you would eventually be able to bring that intelligent NFT into the metaverse as a guide, as a teacher, or even just as an NPC that walks around and does things. Again, like I said, I have a couple of NFTs from the approved collections, but this customized appearance thing, I'm definitely going to save at least one personality pod for that to be able to build it out and kind of mess around with that feature as well. And that's kind of a quick recap of what was in the Masterclass 103 for the homework or the assignments that Sarah assigns at the end of each of these. She asks us to go over to the IIT Masterclass HW channel on the Discord and post a character-specific response to a filter without naming them, and also include a brief description of your character's appearance. And one thing to keep in mind with these responses is they have to be more broad than specific, so that the response can be used for any of the words that are in your filtered or censored list. Again, I highly recommend checking out the Masterclass 103. The link to that will be in the description down below, as well as a link to the Medium article in the description down below. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of what to aim for when you're creating your personality pods. I will be doing Masterclass 104 recap here pretty soon as well. If you've made it this far, please make sure to hit the like button to help with the algorithm so that other people can see and learn about this stuff as well. And if you don't already follow me, hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below and I will do my best to answer them. And again, thank you for watching. Catch you later.